Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and if you are a user of Adobe software, make sure that you update the software. As this week there was quite a few critical code execution vulnerabilities that were fixed in several products from Adobe. So if you are running one of those that I will mention here, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InCopy, Adobe Genuine Service, the Adobe Acrobat, Magento, Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop Applications, Adobe Media Encoder, the Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Medium. All of that together has 43 vulnerabilities that are fixed. A lot of them are critical code execution bugs. So that means that if you want to stay safe using these products, you have to go to your software, go into help, and check for updates. And the updates will actually work in generally. You also have the Adobe's Download Center that has all the updates, that has installers that you can download and install to update those software. It's very important to update. You know, we talk about security as being software, operating system, everything up to date to fix the security flaws. Well, this is an example once again. So make sure that you update your Adobe products to stay safe on your computer if you're a user of one of these pieces of software. Adobe products are very, very popular. There's a lot of stuff in there that is used, especially in enterprise. So check it out. Make sure that you update all the software and that you'll stay safe. So that's why it's important to have up-to-date software. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.